Good morning, Peña Alexander. This is Ilani. How may I help you?
As I keep continuing in the program, I keep having different experiences, and just like the mock trial or shadowing an attorney or shadowing the judge, I'm just excited to be exposed to more of it, and then finally decide, because I'm not really sure. I just know I want to do something in law.
When I've talked to some of the interns, they've never seen the insides of how this profession works. And so this gives them an opportunity to make sure before they go through school and before they commit to the career that it's a career that they actually want to pursue.
I didn't expect to, the experience to be so vivid, and the experience I've gained is very nice. It's wonderful, and I would say it's probably the best experience I've had in my life for this kind of opportunity that I've been granted.
Because a lot of students, when they decide to go to law school, it's a whole new experience, it's a culture shock, and so if we can help kind of open their eyes and know what to expect, I think it's a positive thing.
I think this will also help me determine how the workspace and how office flows, whether it's a law firm or just a small business or a large business, but just kind of how it operates and just the feeling of everything that goes along with it.
You're going to do the same thing you did. You're going to enter the name.
I really thought it was going to be something basic or simple, but really looking into it, it's a lot more than I actually thought, and I've experienced more than I would have thought, and I'm glad I got into it.
If they start in high school, they start building up the skills, they start building up their resumes, their connections and networking even earlier, which is only going to open up the possibilities for them later. This allows a student to grow or to achieve what they're capable of achieving. And I don't believe in putting restrictions or limitations. If you can do it, make the field open and then go for it. The idea that having them work side by side with people in a profession that they're interested in, the universities don't necessarily do. They'll have programs, they have clubs, but actually, and have speakers come into the university, but actually going in and day out behind the scenes, and some of the interns we've had have worked on the defense of cases in federal court. So they've been behind the scenes working with experts and witnesses, knowing what's happening. We've had the federal judges take them into chambers and explain to them why the jury rendered the verdict that they rendered and stuff like that to the students. And so we've taken that to where at the university this firm is applied to be able to give credit to students now. And so not just, and it's inspired by PSJA, but the idea is that we want to open up the same thing for the college students and give them a chance to see. And again, all inspired by PSJA.